guys, and today on the Bird Watchers tutorial, we are going to be talking about seagulls. As you see, these are seagulls right here. They would normally eat anything. They're very intelligent. They can walk, they can fly, and they can swim. That's a lot of abilities. Even we can't swim, you know? Because we can't hold our breath underwater that long. So these seagulls are very intelligent. They can just steal your food in one swoop. They're just like kookaburras, but the laughing kookaburras that take your food. They can just swoop and take your food, but these are just white. White and have other textures and much, much, much more aggressive to their friends. So, the seagulls, you could say they would always take the food that comes at the duck pond. These food, like I'm giving my two little, I came here to give my friend ducks, that guy over there, and the people in the bushes, and my friend ducks, some food. When I saw these seagulls, and I thought I can explain to you about seagulls. So here, I can have some food. So about the seagulls, they're not even magpies. I don't think so, because they can do a lot of epic things with just only 3 abilities. They are very, very smart. Their brain is like big, but not as big as us. I don't think so. But their brain is big and they know where to attack. Because if they see something fall from the sky, okay, they can tell it's food. Like that. They're just gonna head down and get some food. So the next thing about seagulls is that they have pretty, sometimes they can have a little bit of, you could say, I would call it as disguises. They try disguises in other birds so we can give them their food. Because I've seen a black seagull roaming the area, and seagulls I think go in groups. So this was the seagull. Hope you liked it. Goodbye.